The general ruling for learning science and mathematics in Islam, it is mubah, it's optional. But if the science and mathematics will get you closer to Islam, then it becomes mustahab, means encouraged. But generally, learning science and mathematics, it is mubah, it's optional. But if learning science and mathematics may get you a good living, so that you can earn good for your family, so that becomes mustahab. Mustahab means encouraged. If learning science and mathematics gets you closer to Allah, it becomes mustahab, means encouraged. If that science and mathematics gets you a good job, so that you can feed your family well, it becomes mustahab. If that science and mathematics takes you away from Islam, then if it's going to cause loss to you, it becomes makruh. It can even come under the haram category. But generally, learning science and mathematics, it's mubah or mustahab.